friends, welcome to my channel Proven Care TV. This is Sharmin and today I am going to show you a simple scrub with honey and lemon. The benefits of this scrub will clear your acne, brighten your skin, dries out pimples and minimize your pores. So let's start. Our ingredients: honey. Here I take fresh lemon and cut into half and take half of lemon. Then our next ingredients is honey. Take 3 or 4 drops of honey into it. Then rub the half of lemon on your skin, emphasizing the trouble areas. Scrub it for 5 minutes. Scrub it 5 minutes in a circular motion. After scrubbing, wash your skin with normal water. Then you will see significant change. Remember guys, after wash your face, apply a moisturizer on your face. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe it, share it and apply the remedies. And give me feedback. I am waiting for your feedback. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.